Hi, Generals. Welcome back. Well, we're still working on our math problem solving skills, and today we're looking at communicating or improving our solutions. Again, this lesson is brought to us by SMART in collaboration with MPS. It is a long one, so I'm going to go through these really quickly just so to make sure that you can know what you're supposed to do in the SMART notebook file. So our objectives for today is to present a problem mathematically and propose a solution, analyze the scenario, and improve the solution. So now we're going to go ahead and go down. We'll skip the teacher notes and the lesson notes, which is up here, and go to the actual problem on page 5 with poison in wine. So go ahead and pause the video and see how you would answer that question. Unpause the video when you're done. Okay, hopefully you looked at how you would identify the poison barrel. Well, let's look at the solution. The king decides to test the wine on 3 convicts who were sentenced to death. Is that something you thought of as a solution? Is your solution a good solution based on the problem? Good job if it is. So let's keep going with more problem solving skills. So again, the king decides to test the wine on 3 convicts who were sentenced to death. How many days will it take to identify the poison barrel? Again, go ahead and write inside of this box your possible situations. And again, whoops. Here's the original scenario. If you needed to look at it again, you can pull it out in your notebook file and then pull it back. Those of you who only have a video, you can rewind to look at the scenario again. And then we'll look at the solution 1 and solution 2. Again, pause the video until everyone is done. Okay, let's look at solution 1. Okay, here we, again, pause the video and go ahead and read the screen together. Unpause the video when you're done and we'll look at solution 2. Okay. Here's solution 2. Okay, good job if you analyzed and discovered that it'll be 4 days. So let's check our understanding. Again, pause the video until everyone has answered. Then you actually can go and click on which one you think is the answer to discover the right one. Okay, let's see. Did you choose A? Good job if you did. Again, B and C are not the correct answer. Okay, again, let's keep going through. Here we have another problem. Go ahead and pause the video and then again use this information in the boxes to help you write out how the wizard can achieve that. Unpause the video when you're done. Okay, here is day 1. Sorry, didn't mean to pull out day 2. Here's what he would do in day 1. Again, pause the video until everyone is done reading. Okay, here is day 2. Again, pause the video until everyone is done reading. Great job if you were able to analyze and discover how he can reduce it from 4 days to 2. Okay, let's get even a little better. Okay, by the time the wizard found the solution, half the day passes by. Now they have just a day and a half with them to identify the poison barrel. Can they identify? So again, here is your table to use. And again, pause the video as you figure out the answer, and then we'll look at the record and outcome. Okay. Here is the record. And here is the outcome. Forgot I have to push this back. Okay. Good job, generals. Hey, now, again, pause the video until everyone has read the problem and, excuse me, use the table to help you figure out the solution. Okay, here's our combinations. So, this brings us to our solution. Okay, again, I'm sorry. Make sure you have paused the video until you have written down all of the combinations. Okay, now let's look at the solution. Again, unpause the video when you're done reading the solution. Congratulations if you came up with the same solution. Great job, generals. Okay, now let's do a quick activity. Here's the scenario. Again, pause the video until everyone is done reading. Okay, again, now figure out and we'll click. Okay, there we go. Okay, here's the solution. Good job. Okay, let's check our understanding. Again, pause the video until everyone has answered, and then unpause it to discover the real answer. Okay, again, let's start with A, and great job if you chose A. B, C, and D were not the correct answer. Okay, a few more, and then you'll be answering questions with your remote. Okay, again, here is a table. Here's the question. Pause the video until everyone is done. Okay, here's the weighing. Again, pause the video until everyone has written out this information. If you feel like this is something you needed to get to the solution, go ahead and look at this information and see if you can figure out the solution. Okay, now let's look at the solution. Again, pause the video until everyone is done reading. Good job if you came up with the answer. Okay, so can you improve the method to identify the counterfeit coins like we did with the original problem in less number of ways? Okay, again, here is a table. Can you get it down to 3? And again, you can pull the weighing chart to give you a little bit of a hint if you're struggling. Okay, here's the weighing. Again, pause the video until everyone has written it down. Okay, now let's look at the written solution, which was your next step of explaining how that happened. Okay, again, pause the video until everyone is done reading. Okay, our final checking for understanding. Again, pause the video until everyone is done. Okay, let's look at the answer. 2. Good job if you got 2. Okay, so now the remaining questions is all with the smart response. Again, All you have to do to see the answer is click the Smart Response button and go to the answer portion, and you will be able to reveal the answer. Go ahead and click through in your notebook file all of those questions. There's a total of 7. If you can't get through them all before the general time is up, that is okay. Again, we're just working on our problem solving skills to help us as we prepare to enter the retake phase of our testing. And these are for students. If you've been absent, you need to make sure that you complete your testing. If you were absent any day you were supposed to complete a test. You also need to make sure you complete both parts to a test. There's a part 1 and a part 2. So good luck, generals, and have a great day.